Welcome, young explorers, to a fascinating journey through the cosmos. Today we embark on an extraordinary adventure to learn all about the magnificent planet Saturn, also known as the Ringed Wonder. Get ready to be dazzled by its shimmering rings and discover the secrets hidden within this gas giant. Meet Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun in our solar system, and it's a truly extraordinary place. It's a gas giant, which means it's mostly made up of gases like hydrogen and helium. What makes Saturn stand out are its stunning rings, which are made up of billions of icy particles. Imagine if Saturn were a giant playground, it would be about 764 times bigger than Earth. Despite its enormous size, Saturn spins on its axis at a breathtaking speed, completing one rotation roughly every 10.7 hours. Hold on to your helmets. This is going to be an exhilarating ride. The marvelous rings. One of Saturn's most captivating features is its dazzling set of rings. These rings are not solid like a hula hoop, but are made up of countless tiny particles, ranging in size from specks of dust to large boulders. Scientists believe that these particles might be the remnants of comets, asteroids, or even moons that got too close and were torn apart by Saturn's powerful gravity. There are 7 main rings, creatively named A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. The most prominent and widest of them all is the B ring, but all the rings together create a mesmerizing spectacle that can be seen even from Earth with a good telescope. What's Saturn made of? Saturn is like a giant gas balloon floating in space. Its outer layers are composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, the same gases that make up the Sun. However, deep within the planet, scientists believe there might be a rocky core about 10 to 20 times the mass of Earth. That's like having a hidden treasure chest buried beneath all those layers of clouds. But don't pack your bags just yet. Reaching Saturn would be quite the journey. It's located about 746 million miles away from Earth. Even if we traveled at the speed of light, it would take more than an hour for us to get there. Saturn's family of moons. Just like Earth has its moon, Saturn has an impressive family of moons orbiting around it. As of our last count, there are more than 80 known moons, and each one has its own unique story. The largest moon, Titan, is a real standout. It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. Titan has an atmosphere, and scientists think it might be similar to what Earth's atmosphere was like billions of years ago. It's a chilly place, with lakes and rivers made not of water, but liquid methane and ethane. Imagine sailing on a lake of methane, an adventure only possible on Titan. Seasons on Saturn. Saturn experiences seasons, just like Earth, but with a fascinating twist. It takes about 29.5 Earth years for Saturn to orbit the Sun once. This means that each season on Saturn lasts for more than 7 Earth years. As Saturn tilts on its axis, different parts of the planet receive varying amounts of sunlight. This creates ever-changing patterns of light and shadow on its surface. During the summer in the northern hemisphere, the Sun bathes the North Pole in continuous daylight for years, while the South Pole experiences a long, dark winter. Just imagine celebrating your birthday once every 7 years. The Cassini-Huygens mission. Humans are natural explorers, and our curiosity led us to send a special spacecraft to Saturn. The Cassini-Huygens mission, a joint effort by NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Italian Space Agency, ASI, provided us with incredible insights into Saturn and its moons. Cassini, a spacecraft about the size of a school bus, orbited Saturn for over 13 years, capturing breathtaking images and collecting valuable data. Huygens, a smaller probe carried by Cassini, landed on Titan, giving us our first ever glimpse of this mysterious moon's surface. Thanks to these intrepid explorers, we now know more about Saturn than ever before. Exploring Saturn from Earth, while spacecraft like Cassini have provided us with a wealth of information, we can also learn a lot about Saturn from the comfort of our own planet. With a good telescope, young astronomers can observe Saturn's mesmerizing rings, its changing cloud patterns, and even some of its moons. You might even catch a glimpse of the Great White Spot, a giant storm that occasionally appears in Saturn's atmosphere. This storm, which can be larger than Earth, creates a spectacle that amateur astronomers around the world eagerly await. Our journey through the wonders of Saturn has been nothing short of magical. From the mesmerizing rings to the diverse family of moons and the incredible Cassini-Huygens mission, Saturn continues to captivate our imaginations. As you gaze up at the night sky, remember that Saturn is out there, a distant jewel in our solar system. Who knows what mysteries and discoveries await us in the future as we continue to explore the cosmos. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and Saturn is just one of the many celestial marvels waiting to be uncovered by future generations of young explorers like you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more interstellar adventures, and share the excitement with your fellow stargazers. Let's explore the cosmos together.